Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make bangers and mash. The first time I tried bangers and mash was during our vacation in Orlando, Florida. We were at Epcot's Food and Wine Tour and I decided to give it a try. And I actually liked it way more than I expected to. So when we got home, I recreated it and it came out so good. So let's get started. I'm going to start off by baking the sausages in my air fryer / toaster oven. I have 5 pork sausages here. Typically bangers and mash uses bangers, but I couldn't find them, so I'm using bratwurst. But you could use any good quality pork sausage. I have my oven preheated at 400 degrees and I'm gonna bake it for about 20 minutes, flipping them halfway. To make the slurry for our gravy, I have 2 tablespoons of water and I'm gonna mix in 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. This is going to help to thicken up our gravy. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat and add 1 sliced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves. Season it with some salt and pepper, and we're going to cook this down for about 5 to 6 minutes. I've always heard of bangers and mash, but I've never thought to try it. Until we were at Disney's Epcot Food and Wine Tour, and I thought, why not? I mean, we tried everything else, and it was actually really delicious. It kind of reminded me of Salisbury steak and mashed potatoes, but with sausages. Now I'm gonna add in 2 cups of beef broth, and 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. I'm also gonna add the cornstarch slurry that we made earlier. Bring to a boil and let simmer for about 3 minutes. Also, don't forget to watch until the end to see my hubby and I's reaction to tasting bangers and mash for the first time. Our gravy is nice and thick, and now I just gotta give it a taste to see if it needs any additional salt and pepper. And I'm just gonna add a tad more pepper to this and it's good to go. The pork sausages are done baking, so I'm gonna add them to our gravy. I'm just gonna spoon a little bit of gravy over the top and let it simmer for another minute, and we're ready to eat. So of course we have to have some mashed potatoes with our bangers and mash, which I made earlier along with some peas. This is such a simple dish to put together, especially when you roast the sausages in the oven. It's just one of those warm, comforting, and hearty meals. I'm definitely smothering everything with this delicious onion gravy. Okay, you guys have to take a look at this. Delicious. And gotta take a bite of some of that mashed potatoes and peas. Okay, here we have bangers and mash from Ireland.
Yum, I've been waiting.
Is it good?
Bomb.
Yum.
Bangers
It's
and
actually really good.
bangers and
I
mash.
didn't think I would like it, but it's actually really good.
It's called roasted sausage on mashed potatoes, but bangers and mash. Yum yum.
Don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.